In just one night, seniors who eat these 3 foods can restore their leg power, making morning stiffness and fatigue a thing of the past. Sounds impossible? It's not, science backs it up. If you've been waking up with heavy, tired legs, or you feel weaker even without injury, you're not alone. Studies show 99% of seniors don't know why their legs feel weaker, especially in the morning. Here's the good news, this isn't just aging. The right nutrients can energize muscle fibers, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation, helping your legs feel strong again in as little as 12 hours. In this video, I'll reveal 3 powerful foods, ranked from good to best. Stick around until the end. Number 1 works fastest. And don't just take my word for it, every tip here is backed by real research. Links are in the description. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments where you're watching from. It's always inspiring to see seniors from around the world taking charge of their health. Let's jump right in with food number 3, quinoa. Now, quinoa may look like just another trendy grain you'd see on a cooking show, but for seniors, it's actually a quiet powerhouse for muscle repair and recovery. Think of it as a gentle but effective muscle fuel that works while you sleep. Here's why it's special. Quinoa is one of the very few plant foods that gives you all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks your muscles must have to stay strong and heal. Most grains and plants are missing 1 or 2, but quinoa is complete. That means your body doesn't have to search elsewhere for what it needs to rebuild tired or weak muscle fibers. It's also packed with slow-digesting carbohydrates, the kind your body breaks down gradually. This slow release keeps your energy steady through the night instead of crashing. That can prevent those middle-of-the-night leg cramps or the jelly leg feeling when you get out of bed. Now, let's talk science, because this isn't just hearsay. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that when adults swapped refined carbs like white rice or bread for quinoa, they boosted their muscle endurance and felt less soreness afterward. Even more exciting, a Brazilian study with seniors discovered that those who ate quinoa for lunch performed noticeably better on walking and balance tests the very next morning. So, how do you use it? Practical tip: rinse quinoa under water before cooking. This removes a natural coating called saponin that can taste bitter. Cook it like rice, about 15 minutes in boiling water or broth. You can mix it into your dinner with eggs and spinach, toss it into a salad, or use it as a side with chicken or fish. Even half a cup, that's just a small serving, can be enough to give your muscles what they need to start rebuilding overnight. If you've never tried quinoa before, don't worry, it has a mild, nutty taste and pairs well with almost anything. Think of it as a healthier, more powerful replacement for white rice or pasta, one that's kinder to your legs and your energy. Next up we have beets. You might think of them as just a colorful vegetable on a salad bar, but for your legs, beets act like a natural circulation booster. Here's what happens inside your body. Beets are rich in nitrates, a type of natural compound. When you eat or drink beets, your body transforms those nitrates into a gas called nitric oxide. Don't worry, it sounds technical, but nitric oxide is your friend. It relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Think of it as opening up narrow highways in your bloodstream, allowing oxygen-rich blood to travel easily to your leg muscles. Better circulation means your legs get the fuel they need to feel lighter, stronger, and less stiff by morning. The science behind this is powerful. In one well-known study, seniors who drank beet juice showed a 19% increase in walking speed and leg strength within just a few hours. That's almost immediate. Another study found that drinking beet juice daily improved the flexibility of their arteries, which made walking and moving much less painful. When blood flows better, your muscles don't tire as quickly, and even your balance can improve. Now, let's make this practical. Practical tip: the fastest way to get these benefits is with pure, unsweetened beet juice. Just a small glass, about half a cup, is enough. You can drink it in the morning to wake up your circulation or about 30 to 60 minutes before a short evening walk to help your legs feel springier. Not a fan of the earthy taste of beet juice? No problem, roasting or steaming whole beets works, too. Cooking doesn't remove the helpful nitrates. You can slice roasted beets into a salad, blend them into a smoothie with berries for sweetness, or even mix them with a little olive oil and herbs as a side dish. One more tip: if you're new to beets, start with a small amount. They can make your urine or stool turn pink or red. That's completely harmless but can be surprising if you don't expect it. So, whether you sip it as juice or eat it roasted, beets are like opening the floodgates of fresh energy for your legs, helping you feel stronger and steadier, sometimes in just one night. Finally, we come to the most powerful food for overnight leg strength, bone broth. Think of bone broth as a concentrated nutrient drink made by simmering animal bones, often chicken, beef, or turkey, slowly in water for hours. During that time, minerals, collagen, gelatin, and key amino acids like glycine and proline seep into the liquid. These nutrients are exactly what your body needs to repair and strengthen muscles, joints, and connective tissues, the very systems that keep your legs strong and steady. Here's why it works so fast: because bone broth is a liquid, your body doesn't have to break it down much. The nutrients are already dissolved, so they're absorbed quickly and go straight to work. While you're sleeping, collagen and gelatin support joint cushioning, while glycine and proline help rebuild muscle fibers and soothe inflammation. The result? You wake up with legs that feel less stiff, less sore, and more stable. The research is impressive. In one study, adults who drank collagen-rich bone broth saw a 36% boost in muscle strength and flexibility within just 1 week, and many noticed less soreness within 24 hours. Another study on older adults found that glycine sped up muscle recovery by more than 40%, meaning your muscles heal and regain power faster after even small amounts of activity. Practical tip. For the best quality, choose pasture-raised or grass-fed bone broth. These come from healthier animals and usually taste better. Warm it gently, don't boil hard, which can damage some nutrients. Sip 1 cup on an empty stomach before bed to let your body soak up the collagen while you rest. Or, enjoy it after a short walk or light exercise. This timing can send those amino acids directly to tired muscles for faster repair. If you'd rather make it yourself, it's easy. Put leftover chicken bones or beef bones into a pot, cover with water, add a little vinegar, which helps draw out minerals, and simmer for at least 6 to 8 hours. Strain it, season lightly, and you've made your own leg-strengthening elixir. For seniors who have trouble chewing or digesting large meals, bone broth is also gentle on the stomach, easy to drink, easy to absorb, and incredibly nourishing. Just 1 cup at night can make tomorrow's steps feel lighter and steadier. Now that you know the 3 foods, let's make this super simple so you can start tonight and feel the difference by morning. Here's your easy overnight leg strength plan. At dinner, have a small bowl of quinoa, maybe with eggs, spinach, or chicken. This gives your muscles the complete amino acids and steady energy they need to begin repair. Think of it as laying down the building blocks for stronger legs. 2. 1 hour later, drink a small glass of beet juice. This isn't just a drink, it's your circulation booster, opening up your blood vessels so oxygen-rich blood can reach your muscles while you sleep. 3. Before bed, sip a warm cup of bone broth. This is the final step, flooding your body with collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. While you rest, these nutrients soothe your joints, rebuild muscle fibers, and reduce stiffness, setting you up for a stronger tomorrow. Why does this routine work so well? Because it tackles all 3 main causes of leg weakness at once. Nutritional gaps, quinoa fills in missing amino acids. Poor circulation, beets open your blood vessels for better oxygen delivery. Slow recovery and inflammation, bone broth repairs and calms your tissues. It's not magic, it's biology. By giving your body what it's been missing, you're removing the roadblocks that make your legs feel heavy or unstable. And the best part? These foods are gentle, natural, and easy to add to your day. Here's what you might notice after even 1 night. Waking up with less stiffness in your knees or calves. Stronger, steadier steps when you first stand up. A subtle but real boost in energy, making walking or climbing stairs feel easier. Imagine how that would feel, getting out of bed and not dreading those first few steps. It's a small change that can ripple into bigger ones. More confidence, more independence, and even more motivation to stay active. Now, here's my challenge to you: pick just one of these foods tonight, even if it's only the beet juice or a quick cup of bone broth, and see how your legs feel tomorrow morning. Then, as you can, add the others. And don't forget, you're not on this journey alone. There are seniors around the world watching this video, ready to take charge of their strength just like you. Share your results in the comments. Your story might be the spark that helps someone else get back on their feet. If this helped you, hit the like button so more seniors can discover it, and subscribe for more tips backed by science, because staying strong and active doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. This routine tackles 3 hidden causes of leg weakness: nutritional gaps, poor circulation, and slow recovery. Fix these, and your legs respond faster than you'd expect. Remember, leg weakness isn't just aging. Often, it's your body saying, "I need the right fuel." Give your muscles what they're missing, and you can feel the difference as soon as tomorrow morning. I challenge you, try even one of these foods tonight. Notice how your legs feel when you wake up. Then, share your results in the comments. Your story might inspire another senior to take their first step toward stronger legs. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe so other seniors can find life-changing health tips just like this. Together, we can stay strong, active, and independent, one small step at a time.